Take a ride in the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.